This is a video of my Apple Watch Series 1 that I bought a few days ago. The Taptic engine gets stuck after it sits for an extended period of time. So I'm sending it into AppleCare, but I wanted to share what actually happens. So I haven't used it yet today. I've only charged it, so I want to run the breathing application, since that generates a nice set of Taptic things all in a row that we can use for a good test. So I'm going to start the breathing application. I'll put it up to a couple minutes because I feel like it. It's on this box, so you can hear the Taptics. Right now there are no Taptics happening. There's watch should be making a feeling or sound. Now I'm going to just simply take the watch in my hand. The Taptic engine, I believe, is in this area. So I'm going to take it, just tap on it right there. Okay. It's making the Taptics now. Hopefully you can hear them. So that is the problem in a nutshell. That's what it should be doing. And it'll be fine for a few hours, and once I get to work and start typing and stuff, I may take it off and set it on my desk, and it'll get stuck again, but not quite nearly as bad. It'll free itself up. If I was to do the same thing, the breathe application, instead of going it would go and then it would be fine. So I think it's a little issue with the Taptic driver. So Apple's going to take care of that. But I wanted to share because people are posting that their Taptic engines quit working, and a restore, and a format, and a watch upgrade, and a phone upgrade, and all that stuff just doesn't cure it. You just have to kind of tap on the side of your watch and free up a sticky mechanism. Thanks.